This is our 2014 quad slide. So nice to have a quad slide back in our inventory.
Here we are in coach 1241 quad slide. We don't say that a lot lately, quad slide. We haven't had a lot of quad slides. So super excited. Dawn and I are here in Oregon doing delivery of 1375, and we just happened to be here when this coach came in. So we're gonna show you coach 1241. So unique, Dawn's gonna give you a quick view of it, but quick thing about this, hideaway bed. So we don't get a lot of those either. So this couch actually folds out into like probably a queen size bed. So take a look at it. Beautiful coach, 47,000 miles.
We hope you enjoyed our video of Coach 1241. Again, this coach is located in Oregon and it is a consigned coach, so keep that in mind.
Yep, and it is a quad, and we haven't had a quad. Yeah, quad, 4 slides. 2016, so great year, great value.
How many miles?
I think 47,000 miles on it. So great coach. It really is. Beautiful coach on the outside, stunning. So
yeah.
Feel free to reach out to Dawn or myself or anyone here out in Oregon, Texas, Florida, whoever you're working with or want to work with.
Anyone can help you.
Yeah, anyone can help you. So feel free to reach out and keep watching Randy, Dawn, and the Marathon Coach.